Okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Okay, Arabic lovers. So now we're going to learn about possession in Arabic, possession or al-idafa. In English, we can use of or add apostrophe s, like saying student's book or book of student. Okay, and here how to form possession in Arabic. Okay, al-idafa or possession consists of two words like student book, student and book. And here, uh, one is called possessed, and another one called possessor in English, and in Arabic, mudaf, and then mudaf ilaih. Okay, here the rule mudaf. Okay, mudaf and mudaf ilaih. For mudaf now, it can take any case ending. Case ending here, you see the example. Baitu talib, baitu. Ta here, the sound ending u or tu, dhamma. It can be tu, ti, or ta. Like this one, baitu. But if we add fi here, or harful jar, fi baiti, or inna baita, like that. Okay, so it's okay to say ta, tu, and ti. And the second rule, uh, it can never take tanwin or al. So we can't say baitun or baitin or baitan. No, just say baitu, baiti, and baita. Also al without al. So we can't say al baitu. So just say baitu. Okay, that's the rule of mudaf or something possessed. House of the student or the student's house. Okay, the rule of mudaf ilaih. Yeah, the rule. Okay, mudaf ilaih always majrur or genitive case. The sound ending is kasra. You see at-talib, at-talibi, at-talibi. Okay, use kasra here, not ba or bu, but b. And then the second rule, it's okay to use tanwin or al. So it can be talibin, talibin, or talibi. And you can say at-talibi. It means the here. So baitu talibi, house of the student or the student's house. Okay, that's the rule of mudaf and mudaf ilaih. The examples now. Okay, here are some examples of mudaf and mudaf ilaih or idafa. Maktabul mudarrisi, khalaqullah, inna kitabal mudarrisi, ala maktabil mudarrisi, qalamut talibi, qalamu talibin. Maktabul mudarrisi, maktabu. The sound ending is dhamma here, bu. Al mudarrisi, use al and then no tanwin here. Al mudarrisi means the teacher. Maktabu here is table, so the table of the teacher or the teacher's table. Khalaqullah, creature or creation of Allah. Then the third one, the sound ending of the mudaf here, kitab, not kitabu or kitabi, but kitaba, because the sound ending of words after inna must be fathah. So inna kitaba, inna kitaba. Okay, masih fathah. And then al-mudarrisi, teacher, verily or indeed, book of the teacher or the teacher's book. And then next example, ala maktabi. Use kasrah here because ala harfu jar. So the sound ending of words after ala must be kasrah. Ala maktabi. Okay, kasrah. Ala maktabi. Al-mudarrisi, the teacher, on table of the teacher or on the teacher's table. Okay. Next example. Al and Tanwin. Qalamu talibi. Al here means the student. Pen of the student or the student's pen. Next one, qalamu talibin. Use Tanwin here is it means a student. So pen of a student or a student's pen. Okay, I think you understand now. Okay, next. 3 words. Okay, Idafa with 3 words here. Possession with 3 words. Masjidu. It's a masjid. Rasuli. So the masjid belongs to the messenger. Belong to messenger. Rasuli. Rasulillah. And Rasul here belong to Allah. So Rasul here has 2 positions. It becomes Mudaf Ilaihi of masjid and becomes Mudaf of Allah. Masjidu Rasuli Allahi. Masjid of messenger of Allah. Okay, so Rasuli Allahi use kasrah, both of them. The second example, Baitu Ibni Ammi. Baitu, house, Ibni, son, Ammi, uncle. Son of uncle is a cousin. Okay, house of son of uncle. Okay, so if 3 words here, the second one and the third one use kasrah. Only the first one is it can be dhamma, fatha, or kasrah. Okay, the next one, man. Man is also mudaf ilaih, but this one is fixed word, so we cannot change the sound ending. Just say man, like saying baitu man, whose house, qalamu man, whose pen. Okay, everybody, I think that's all about idafa or possession. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends if you think this video is useful. Okay, see you. Ma'assalama.